Alright guys, the rain slacked off for a little bit. We're gonna fool with the 78 1200. I already took the liberty today of taking and pulling those 12-inch wheels off and throwing some 14-inch steelies on with my adapters. I'm gonna try to get the car running on gasoline today. I'm gonna put a little more oil in it. See if I can get the fuel filters unclogged, put some new ones on it. And then I'm gonna try driving it. The brakes already feel good. I don't know why it shouldn't good. I haven't really shown the interior of this thing yet, so it's a nasty mess. I'm gonna bolt the seats back down. I'm probably gonna vacuum it. Keep in mind, this is a parts car for my wide body 79, so there's things I'm gonna steal like interior trim. I'm probably gonna take the doors off of it and swap them with the other doors so I don't have to shave door handles anymore. But what's left over, I'm going to make a ratty little fun project car out of it. I think it's got good potential. We'll see how this works. I'm about to run the store now, fill up my gas jugs, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we have gas in it. I've got all the oil topped off. The mechanical fuel pump I'm pretty sure is working. I've got the brakes filled up with brake fluid. I got brake pressure. I'm going to try starting this bad boy on starting fluid and letting it take and turn the mechanical fuel pump over until we get a bunch of fresh gas coming in this jug up here. So I'm gonna try to get it running off starting fluid. I might try it off gas. We'll see how this goes. I put 4 gallons in the tank. That should be more than plenty. Oh, she wants to run. Well, that's a good sign, though. I mean, like I said, it's been sat for a week since running. We're going to keep doing this. Let me set the phone down. We'll get recording again. I'm going to run it off starting fluid like I did last time, dousing it into it until I get gas coming in that jug. Running on there. Well, it finally ran out of gas in the jug here. I let it run for about 5 minutes on its own power. I'm pretty happy so far. The rain's coming down now, so I might have to take a little bit of a break. I might go ahead and vacuum the interior or something. It ran this whole jug of gas. It idled, did its own thing. We'll see what else productive I can do. We might move on into the interior while it's raining. Get these seats bolted down, maybe some vacuum up. Sorry about the dogs barking in the background. They're freaking the crap out right now. I'll keep y'all followed up. Well, I've been battling the rain all day. I'm going to call it a day on this one. I've got a blockage somewhere between the gas tank and the firewall. It's not the fuel filter. It's not the line in between the hard line and the gas tank. Got pretty much everything working, though. She's running good. She runs smooth. I can't say anything about that. I got to fix some vacuum lines. I know I got to put a carb on it, but she's got to be feeling pretty pampered right now. You know, she's been sitting in the dirt for 20 years and getting a bunch of love thrown at her out of nowhere. We'll pick off where we left off, and everyone have a great night, and I'll keep you guys updated.